Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Friday everyone. So it's about 11 o'clock and I just got off work because we have a huge snowstorm coming. It's the first of the season. This winter has been crazy. It's been so nice, not like normal winter Virginia weather at all. Well, northern Virginia weather. Christmas it was like 60 degrees, which I think it was like a record for us. I'm not sure, but something like that. Anyway, we have a huge snowstorm coming. Kayla's daycare closes in an hour at noon, so I gotta pick her up. So I'm gonna get dressed, start editing, and then go pick up my little KKs. So we will see you back here, and it has not started to snow yet. This is outside our bedroom window. It did snow a tiny bit. What the heck is that? It's like a piece of tape. It did snow like a tiny bit yesterday. It was just flurries, nothing crazy. Hey y'all. Okay, so the snow is here, y'all. See it? It's been snowing now, I guess for about 30 minutes. This is just the beginning, guys. But yeah, so we're weathering the storm, and I got a pizza in the oven, and I'm just prepping some lettuce because it is taco night. Taco! I don't know what that was, sorry. KK's napping, so I'm just trying to take advantage of the free time to get dinner like prepped. My mom's here, Samir's upstairs. We just went and bought straight out of Compton. Samir's been really wanting to see this, so I just went and got it for him. So we got straight out of Compton tonight and some Coronas. So it should be a fun night.
Hey, who's watching me?
Here.
Are you recording? Is this Kayla's cam?
Kayla cam. You see Daddy?
Daddy.
Hi.
No.
With wet butts.
Okay.
This
Yeah. There we go. Record. Say hi.
Hi.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Hey guys. So Kayla messed up my camera. There's like lines going across it. I don't know what you did to the setting. Which one you want now? Pick one. Donald? Okay. Here you go.
Daddy.
You're welcome. So yeah, so it's still snowing. Kayla's just putting stickers on a piece of junk mail. Oh, more? Which one you want? Pick one. Which one you want? Goofy? No, Pluto. Here you go. Say thank you. You're welcome. Camera. All done? Oh, alright. You really are all done. Just do it on the floor. See how red her cheeks are, guys? It's been like that for the past 2 days. I think she's getting sick. Oh, look at Cosmo. You want to catch up on the latest and greatest?
Fashions
The
and
fashions.
here, smell. Want to smell something? Here, let me show you. You can smell something in there. Usually, here, smell.
She wants to smell her stuff. She knows that's the wrong way. So she said, don't make me out to look stupid,
I'm done.
baby. Yeah, leave her alone. Let her do herself.
Gave her the Cosmo. Now I'm out. He's cute, huh? He's a cute
Those
man.
two girls.
Oh, I don't know.
What?
Up.
Samir fixed my camera like right away, guys. There's no lines going across it from when KK messed it up. It had like sound waves going on. It had lines. It had like some flight control stabilizer. I don't know. Now they're having a good old time.
Okay, say, te amo, mamita.
Yeah, te amo, mamita.
Es pues, viejita. Sí,
Go potty. Go potty. Good job. You go pee pee on the potty? Pee pee.
No la muestran hasta que tú llegues.
Daddy.
No, señor, tiene que ir aprendiendo, si no, así va a gastar más pañal.
Ya parecía.
Pee.
Pee pee? Good job.
Ya, ma.
What? You trying to connect it? Do you want help? Mommy help you. Mommy help you. Okay. Hold on. Put it all the way in. There we go. It's connected. You want to sit? Okay, like this. One notch, and then the other one goes right on top. Good job. Here, okay. You're welcome. Watching Mickey Mouse all day. Yeah, that's right. We're watching Minnie. Yeah.
Okay, you going outside? Do you want to go out later on? Because we're going to be stuck in here for a long time, KK. What do you think we should do then? Well, maybe we'll do that in a couple hours then, okay? Why do you say it like that? KK, why do you say it like that though? KK, why did you say it like that?
I don't know. So here's the damage. We must have got, what, like 3 feet of snow? Easily. Let me see if I can zoom in. Let's see. So you guys can see way over there. I mean, it's bad. And like this right here, like that little curve, that's our road, the street. They haven't plowed it in a long time. Like no one could get out. And then let's see if you guys can see. Right there, you see that mirror? And right next to it, that's me and Samir's car. And right here, this is my mom's car. So it's pretty bad. It's fun.
Ya está volviendo loca ya.
Uh-oh. So Alright y'all, so now it is Monday and they still haven't plowed our street. And it hasn't been snowing for well over 24 hours. But the good news to that means we don't gotta go to work today. And it's my birthday. I'm turning 30 today. Wow, hello. Today's Mommy's birthday. Today is Mommy's birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Oh, thank you. Oh. Happy birthday, Mommy. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
What's that?
So you looked at her, so she wants to show off for you. Hooray! Good job!
Sure is good to see so many friends here.
Oh, we'll be seeing even more as the day goes on.
She always looks at her dad to make sure he's watching her. She's so funny. Mommy's here too. Mommy here. Mommy here. Mommy here. Mommy here. Mommy here. Help BB. Help BB push. Good job.
Keep going.
Keep going, KK. Almost there. Woo! Good job.
Come on, we gotta get some more.
Let me get some more snow.
Come on, got one more berg, one more pound. One more pound to get, girl. Right here. The big one, honey.
Oh yeah, that's a big old pound.
Come on. Ready?
Help BB push. Come on, push.
Ready?
Come on, KK.
Come on. Come on, hurry. Faster, faster. Come
Go,
on.
KK. You can do it, Case. Good job.
Come on, girl, hurry.
Whoa!
We did it.
Good job, KK. Ah. A plane. See you way up there.
Okay, you ready?
Hi, guys. What are you guys doing?
Watch this. Get it, girl. Smash that snowball.
Oh, good
Yeah.
job.
Ready? Now we'll get your big one. Your big one. Can you handle it?
Here, Mom.
Ah, good job.
Good job. Hey y'all, thanks for watching this video. We really hoped you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button, and welcome to the family.